Kuliah jubun vibro sai senpat ejeng tip nam tai kubor light kam spai kan ne pada kedai nam taki sports person kedai nam taka sports kota mo kade po SSB Sesastra Simabal tekitu kibada ki sports person kibala represent nia ka state kibala represent university bat kweru ngin sabatai bahado po kum gijak sports ki jongki te kila man apply nam tai ni pus kidan lu saus pa tam e ki pus kibala bata lagi jongki disiplin saus pak sau 404 vacancy for general central service group C non-gazette non-ministerial committee post of constable generality under sports quota for the year 2026 temaka last date pada kalajan wanam so katan marba akan melapor dengan tip last date kadai new tarik menai Jun kemudian stang sansngi dan sausngi itu kibaran interest kiba ilek kai wat kebaran sport certificate pila wan apply nam tagini post apply online kaling rung sabuk buat description dengan page direct kita ki discipline jong ini post archery yang tu ada to recurve compound Indian round begitu new teli ki vacancy lagi jong temi clear ibun mahag la represent archery and recurve compound Indian round jong kan ter new teli dan athletic men Static junction rang kadang 100 meter, 200 meter, 400, 800, 1500, 5000, 10,000 dan suka hurdle rodan 20 km race walk rodan long jump, high jump ibun discus throw, javelin, cross country 10 km tembatang ki bala represent 10 km cross country 10 km bro arho tali post dan athletic jongki kente bada neru kaju hi ter baro kadang itu arf artli kambun kente arf arti sendang arf hotli pintu 100 meters 1 201 403 801 1501 5001 10002 102 400 kini hurdle 120 km race 1 long jump high jump RR discus throw javelin throw cross country 10 km arf artli baro aquatic swimming kidon sampai itu kidon di backstroke di breaststroke tu laga jong men dan aquatic diving man new tadi ki pose baro berkite begini dan aquatic swimming woman aquatic diving woman ner baro new tadi ki pose boxing ru kidon mekalia ki bala represent teh ner pe ki bun 50 kg 55 kg 60 kg 65 kg 1222 70 75 barak long khadoi tali dia junction kentei new tali ki pus lagi jong kategori sepej basketball rodon khandai tali nam tai kishenrang khat ar tali nam tai kentei kat kom ki to center power forward small forward dan badminton rodon kentei kishenrang shenrang sau kentei ar cycling rodon dan to RR ingtui tep senrang R te ar senrang equestrian gane gam tat kenare bandan fencing mekhalia gam kenari bandan fencing woman dan football midfielder goalkeeper defender forward block khadwetli te rumjo khadwetli itu gymnastic rokidan mekhalia namang gina dunahi te gatu all rounder tu total tu duru hockey gam kenare hockey to khatnya tali pus khatwai tali yang tu handball telagi jong supaya yang tu pratali handball ibun mama handball senrang habo kan ther pratali judo gidon telagi jong kategori te baro jong senrang ndr tali jong ki kan ther ndr tali kat kombi kategori itu mo supaya kabadi santali jong ki senrang nyo tali jong kan ther packet kom ki cingilek kai mo right rider left rider dan karate kumai men tu neutali kom ki kategori women neutali ta kayaking kayaking rodan ta neutali K4 200 500 1000 tu neutali ki senrang neutali kenthei kana yeng amna tibara ta neutali yang tu pus yang senrang kenthei neutali penkat silat ner iton klara kom kategori to pratali yang tu pus baro Sanpo sansan repo nyopo regu ganda. Kentairu pratali kumjuk hi powerlifting tagituru artali senrang artali kentai rowing ulit kenara begalia rowing ulit kenara shooting tidon to artali tegi senrang artali kentai table tennis kenara taekwondo don to bro don itu kerkum kategori dan kuryogi men puma semen bro long pratali kentai pratali kentairu dan volleyball nyau tali kisenrang nyau tali kentai sampai kentur position lade dan wrestling rudan pratali kisenrang ngai freestyle pratali dan Greco-Roman styleman kinir pratali wrestling woman kadwe tali gibon yo nan wushu dai tali nganam pulishu ikini kiji lakajong la tebi dan wushu woman nyau tali weightlifting katkom kategori dan hadok pratali jang kisenrang kentai santali berat yoga orang guna teman lai tali gitu berat long sau spa sau tehang de company re spang kita ki kategori wise tengah try barok kilong eligible bet te phila ban apply nam tagi ni te kasnem kan mau hamo kasnem kibun bhagi post te kan mau kasnem kiba kwa on apply online mo te under city sports kota khat prad apply tang ba nam tagi SD kategori kadai si post name relaxation te kan de hadu khat pradu live whole life name mo khat pradu live whole life name pass class 10 pass to ke kibalong eligible ni page utama om dei barok mo yo ki sutu bakla ni page unta sports qualification kawai ni nama the who have represent national or international okay to kibala represent national to la yo to la kadang jang maksma medal winners junior na senior na junior dan medal winner in Kilo India Youth Game kidon hina mekhalia gibala kine ta lane medal winner Kilo India University Game lane medal winner in School Game Federation kibala school game adon nam mekhalia giba pha gitu ta sportsmen have represented their university kibala yele kailing baka university kila ban apply sportsmen who have represented the state school team kidon ma kibala kailing baka school te turu tang bala represent phila ban apply gitu mena university tang ba phila represent phila ban apply nam tai ni post ma ni gwe dala tho represent national or international nawai medal winner Khelo India medal winner school game tegi ba represent university ba represent the state school team the national sports game or school conducted by all India school game kini mo new tali don ki option te kawi ni gini la pidon phila ban apply nam ta kanega sports qualification will be taken on considered person achievement by candidate in the past 2 years hours name cut off for the past 2 years kini ki hours name ki ba adapt cut off date for determined eligibility is 30 days from the date of publication is implement news only kelas din kedai new tarik tamne dera tesa kan mau kata kisim baik hours name telada pi yo lai saus name menshua kan kenshu itu certificate yung pi pim long reban eligible tang hours name shua mo pi yo long ban eligible man apply nam ta kini kipus te kene bro de online baik te aku mangala de petu pi ba ga de du live po live name pa inde ka relaxation ka de san posan de post name nam ta ki SC/ST beyond the upper age limit te ada ta age relaxation permissible te sakan mau beradu live name teman-teman in page biang kiji don't come have de berkane ta have de bat ka application nam ta ki SC/ST kan mau om juron kam man seu exempted payment of fees non kam ra man seu the selection process stage 1 tangin page ka selection process will come up to 2 stage 1 with international person medal national medal winner kene of third place kini ki medal itu laga jang stage 1 dan stage 2 The second stage recruitment will be conducted for other eligible. Baik itu kibayok medal winner lakajong, international participation medal winner, national medal winner, kibayok medal winner lakajong, bayar represent international lakajong. The stage 2 bre. The second stage recruitment will be conducted for other eligible candidate if vacancy remain unfilled after selection of candidate having medal participation in international and medal winner in national competition of the third place. Okay, kishim shuai kibayok bela represent international but kibayok medal. Te darang don kapus kabalat na kitu kibayok medal. Te kisa 1 saya kini kiba shuri persen gain. Kisa jet sana gitu. Darang don kipus kabalat. The biometric submission program of the candidate report and card recruitment will be taken which shall be followed by conduct of different stage of recruitment processes on the stage 1 nam tagi ba international medal, international participation but medal winners, the documentation, checking of sports achievement, then field trial test will be exempted those who have participated in any international sports mudah kam show ega field trial. And field trial test will be exempted for those who have represented a state duty in the senior junior level championship organized national sports tour kam show. Order preference. Nipsas all sports team of organized will be checked and according to their performance games mark will be brought to them. Okay. First preference candidate who have represented country in an international competition. Then I medal, gold medal life mark, silver arkandai, bronze medal arpra, participation arkandriu. Next person preference will I senior and junior level national championship. The gold arpsan, silver arpsan, bronze arplai. Haduk balai baik. Independent type of this. Okay, and when comes to play itu media certificate of sports qualification must be signed by awam 30. Okay, itu ada batai. Then physical standard test. Ka physical standard test namta jongki skill tribe Meghalaya not as candidate hailing from North East State kadai 157 namta Shindrang 147.5 namta Kante 76 chess 81 expand chess expand tan namta Shindrang 157 namta Meghalaya candidate. Then sekewat again physical standard test candidate with BMI below 18 and above 25 are to be rejected considering underweight and overweight respectively. Kadang kadang jengkanya BMI ru lagi dunai pral netam ke arsan sya reject with direct. Tengah try sports person taking lanang hiban kenya kata BMI. Then tangtai then kan sedang suka review medical dan suka medical dan kadang suka review medical dan final selection. Lat yang ta kinsa let saka stage 2 recruitment pada nakam taki ba represent. Will be conducted to oral eligible candidate if vacancy remain unfilled after selection of candidate having medal participation in international and medal winner in national competition up to third place. Okay. Teka nam taki ne pada kadan ka teki kas ke stage pada lata kanang like ka post tekin sa jit ikni ba represent lada nang like post mana dak mlat show mat ba kinam khot show telada ka like ka wan sa stage 2 tekan dan ke dokumen verification dan kadan ke field trial brand tagini teka san formak will conducted as per guideline tenam ta kita gi bayok medal balak represent international gitu untuk kamera ban le ka field trial dan kisah pa kam tu ka juk hi ka i ka hat ke debet sis pa san punjo centimeter nam ta ki is candidate kembang ada batai mana dan la dan ta pada kisah I tagi medical examination dan I review medical examination dan ter final selection tangi ki post ki ba dang thlima. Okay te tangkat nihi kaling ngan sabu description gitu ki badan interest ban apply tesa apply tangi nihi kulisubun.